Jesus.
Sucker up, 12 valve Evans. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm just on my way home from work. I'm actually headed to my wife for work. Her truck has a flat tire, so we're gonna go get the spare swapped on it, and I'm actually gonna take the truck and try to maybe surprise her and get some brand new all-terrains on there. We'll see what they got to offer at the tire shop. But stick with us. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
All right. Oh yeah, she is flat. Don't got too much tread on her, so she probably picked up a nail or something. Let me get that spare out from under there. It's actually in the back right there. I'll get it on. Luckily this thing has a jack. All right guys, got the tire on. She's really low. We're gonna take her easy. But yep, stick with us. Go to the tire shop right now. Hopefully we replace all 4 of these. Look at that sucker. Oh, I can't believe I went so long.
Yep, like I said, stick with us. We'll get to the tire shop. Hopefully get all new 4 on this bad girl.
Man, the lineup of Dodges. I'll take that maroon one. A rare sight at my house. No vehicles in the driveway. Hi, babies. Hi, baby. Roxy good girl. Crazy boy. Starting to look like Jurassic Park back here. Hopefully we don't get any rain. I could mow this shit this weekend. Hi, mama. Roxy girl. Let's get him. Go get him. Get them birds. Good babies. Momo. Let's get him, Roxy. Get him. Go get him, Roxy. Get him. Where they at, Momo? Go get him. Get them ones. Get them. Get them ones. Are they in the tree? Get them, Momo. Pretty girl. Yes, sir. There's some freshies on her. Just like that. All right, got the freshies on there. Yes, sir. The wife should be extremely happy, and we don't have to worry about her getting flat snow mowed. All right, let's go. All right.
Oh, got some new skins.
Yep.
Thank you. Now I can roast them.
No, all 4. Don't have to worry about flat snow mow. All right.
All right, guys. So there you go. A little unplanned video. Ford has needed tires for a while. I've had the same tires on it for like 2 years. So, yep. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment. Once again, we're trying to get to 10,000. We're almost there. Stick with us. Come on. See ya.